Hello guys, myself Rahul. I welcome you to my channel. Today I am here in Dipor Beel, which is situated in the southwest direction of Guwahati city, and it is 7.3 km from Gorchu. So you can visit this place to see the migratory birds during seasons, and this place is famous for its natural beauty and a freshwater lake, as you can see over here. So guys, now we are entering this small park to see the lake. So let's see guys, what else we can find over here. We have seen so much beautiful leaves over here, with beautiful garden over here. Some kind of a small house is there. Maybe there are some records for the migratory birds, maybe. So guys, this is the lake which is behind me. This is called the Deepor Beel lake, and this place is famous for its natural beauty and the clean fresh water over here, and also for the migratory birds, as I have told already. So let's see the view over here guys. So this is the scene over here, and yes, it is very beautiful. I like nature, and I know all of you like nature. Nobody else in the world who doesn't like nature. So guys, as I have done some shooting here in Dipor Beel, as I finished my job here, I'm going to that tower which is behind me. So let's go guys. So guys, today we have seen lots of beautiful shots and sceneries here in Dipor Bil. Now I'm going to conclude my video. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye! So friends, if you enjoyed my video, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you. I will meet you in my next video.